In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ChatGPT on Opera GX. If you're someone who enjoys using Opera GX for its unique features and are interested in integrating AI tools like ChatGPT directly into your browser, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process, ensuring you can seamlessly use ChatGPT while enjoying everything Opera GX has to offer. To start off, open your Opera GX browser. It's crucial to ensure that you have the latest version of the browser installed to avoid any compatibility issues during the setup. If you're not sure about the version you're using, it's a good idea to check for updates in the Opera GX menu. Next, in the browser's address bar, type ChatGPT. This will bring up search results, and you should look for the official ChatGPT website. Once you locate the official link, go ahead and click on it to navigate to the ChatGPT webpage. This is where you will access the AI features that you're looking to integrate into your Opera GX browser. Now that you're on the ChatGPT page, look towards the lower left corner of your Opera GX interface. Here, you'll find either 3 horizontal dots or a cogwheel icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this to open the settings side panel. From this panel, you'll want to find the AI services section. It's here where you will need to ensure that the ChatGPT toggle is enabled. This step is crucial as it allows Opera GX to integrate ChatGPT into its functionalities. After enabling ChatGPT, you have the option to make this service more accessible by adding it directly to your home page. This could be particularly helpful if you plan to use ChatGPT frequently. To do this, simply look for a plus sign or an Add a Site option in your browser. Clicking on this will give you the opportunity to type in ChatGPT, making it readily available on your Opera GX homepage. Once you've entered ChatGPT, you'll have to finalize this setup by clicking on the option to Add to Opera. This final step completes the integration process, enabling you to access ChatGPT directly from your Opera GX browser effortlessly. And there you have it. You've now successfully added ChatGPT to your Opera GX browser. This integration empowers you to use ChatGPT's capabilities without having to open a separate window or tab. Enjoy the seamless browsing experience and the convenience of having ChatGPT just a click away as you navigate the internet with Opera GX.